resilient, able to withstand or recover from difficult situations. Synonyms: strong, tough, adaptable. I'm cosplaying as Brittany Dawn. It's a Brittany Dawn video today. Brittany Dawn's new boyfriend is weird, and so is she, okay? This is what the video's about. Hey guys, so I thought we would catch up with our homegirl, baby talking, internet scammer Brittany Dawn, and see how life has been treating her after she got caught scamming over 500 people and then saying it was an accident, and then taking a trip to Hawaii, which she bragged about on Instagram. A Hawaiian trip funded with stolen money, which she did not go to jail for. Let's just see how she's doing. So Brittany Dawn has two Instagram accounts. One of them is called Be Dawn Fit, just a blonde who loves Jesus and coffee. So relatable. And The Real Brittany Dawn, where she is a lover of coffee, endorphins, and stealing people's money with no consequences. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I misread that. It says travel. I'm sorry, sometimes I suck at pronouncing and reading things properly. The comments are very positive. I'm surprised that people are super obsessed with her life. Not to be rude, but it seems like she mostly posts about Starbucks and Bible quotes. I don't know, I guess it's just not my kind of content that I find entertaining. But we're all different, and that's great, and that's what makes everybody just so special. You are just so special. But she's still posting the typical influencer motivational posts. To the girls who sees friends getting engaged, married, moving into their first homes, posting pics with their man, and you feel like you're doing something wrong, please stop. Their season isn't your season, and comparison is the thief of joy. Yellow heart. Man, I feel better now. All my friends are getting married and having tiny, miniature humans. And the only thing I've been doing is laying in bed with Yoshi eating cupcakes. Until I read that quote, I felt like a loser. But now, I'm probably gonna do it again tonight. So in her highlights, she still has the option to swipe up to purchase her workout programs. When I swiped up, it was just a plain white screen, so I'm not sure if it was just a glitch with my phone, but the option is still there. I would think that she would want to take that off, because what I think is probably happening, just a thought of mine that I know a lot of fitness people do. They post certain fitness things, people privately inbox them, hey, can I purchase a program? And then they sell it kind of under the table instead of actually going through a website. So I'm not saying she's doing this, but some people might not know who she is and the scandal. The comments are all positive. I know I get a lot of people in my inbox saying, how can I pay you for a workout program? And I just send them to my website. How easy is it for her to be like, oh yeah, just PayPal me this and then send over something. So we definitely don't know for sure if she's selling programs, but the option is still on her highlights and in her stories. So she definitely gives off the impression that she's selling something fitness related. But Brittany Dawn is making a business out of one of the things that a lot of people were making fun of her tan. She has created her own tanning product, so if you want to tan like Brittany Dawn, now's your chance. So I'm just gonna read this in her voice because I feel like it's appropriate right now. Desert Rose Tanning Mousse, coming soon. This self-tanning mousse is vegan, paraben-free, contains all natural ingredients, guaranteed to leave your skin feeling radiant, bronzed, and ready to take on the day. Not tested on animals, we love our furry friends. Subscribe to our email list for upcoming details and official release. So Brittany Dawn takes Amex, Google Pay, PayPal. She takes every type of payment because she wants to take that money, so she makes it very convenient for anyone that's interested in buying her tanning product. Let's just hope when people give her the money for a product that this time around she actually gives the people the product and doesn't just take the money and run off to Hawaii. So I'm not sure if she owns this company or if she just promotes for the company, but she does a ton of clothing type hauls in her stories. She tells people to swipe up or, check out this post with this clothing in it, so I don't think she's just doing this just for fun. Give me all the Ellen and Rosecco camis. So she is definitely profiting off of it in some way, whether she's part owner or paid per post. Brittany Dawn, even though the views are very, very low, she still regularly posts to her YouTube channel. She posts videos such as shrinking my waist, Starbucks, ordering my subscribers drinks, and healthy Starbucks drink. All videos probably full of scientific-based intelligence, worthwhile watching content, of course.
Hello, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It is going to be another Starbucks video. My camera lens is literally fogging up right now.
Ha! The real reason that you clicked on this video. The love life. or the fact that you want to find out why I think he's weird, but no matter, let's move on. So Brittany Dawn's boyfriend is just as odd as her. So this is my personal opinion. I'm not sure what you guys feel about couple channels or like that couple content, couple posts, or super sappy, oh my gosh, we're so in love, and they're just sipping at the seams of love juice because they just have so much love in them. And you're probably thinking, Michelle, what's wrong with that? This world is horrible. We just need more love in this world. Well, I have a problem with it because it's just not true. It's just a bunch of couples faking this perfect relationship. And didn't Brittany Dawn already have a public relationship and it was all fake? And she mercilessly cheated on him, and then when she got caught, she played the victim and used her social media followers and presence against him so that she could be the one that's right. And since he's not that big, and the fact that she's a woman, a lot of people sided with her, and then it came out that she freaking cheated on him. She literally played the victim card and the Jesus card. And that's not how we play this game, Brittany. All right, so Brittany Dawn's boyfriend, the first pic that she ever shared of him was just his hand, her hand, embracing each other's hands. Happy, so happy. Yellow heart. Are you gonna cheat on him too? Reasonable question. So that was just a little teaser picture, and then boom, full body pic, kiss on the forehead paired with a lovable caption. Hey you, I like you a lot. And I'm gonna keep you around, yellow heart. Hashtag happy. He is so much better than your ex. I can already tell. Why? Why is he better? Because he's not emotionally broken down because she mercilessly cheated on him and then used her followers against him? Is that why? I really want to know. Our first date was Mexican food and church. I'm not the biggest like churchy person. Let's be real, I'm not a church person. Absolutely, completely no hate going toward anyone that is very, into their religion and always going to church and whatnot. I think that's great, do your thing. But I think Brittany Dawn uses the whole Sky Daddy thing to her advantage so that she can continue to do her narcissistic actions. Some threads that I read during the whole Brittany Dawn scandal said that when she cheated on her husband when she got caught, she used the whole Jesus thing to try to cover her tracks or make people feel bad for her. Our first date was Mexican food and church. Today, you are my favorite person to explore this world with. And then she says, tell me your best or worst dates so that you can comment and then boost her engagement and then everybody can see her cuddling with this random dude. And then the last lovable couple post is the traditional look back while holding, wait, what's his name? Will S.S. Jr.'s hand. Suddenly, you felt like home. Very sweet. God, that just makes me feel bad about my own relationship. I mean, I wish that mine was just as fake as these overly sappy Instagram couple accounts. But it's not, and I'll just stick to farting on my boyfriend for the fun of it. Don't act like you haven't done that, judgers. Sky Daddy wouldn't like that now, would he? Okay, but now let's look at Will Smith Jr.'s post, because he's just a little odd to me. And when I say Will Smith, I mean the one on Instagram that's dating Brittany, not the one that is like in a lot of movies and has kids and is black. Brittany Dawn's boyfriend is a worldwide traveler. And by world traveler, I mean photoshopping himself and Brittany into really impressive and beautiful locations so that people think that he's an awesome Instagram worldwide traveler. That's what I mean when I say worldwide traveler. Taking time to enjoy all of life's special moments. Hashtag blessed. And look how beautiful this is. Palm trees, amazing mountains. How amazing. And you would think with the whole hashtag blessed thing, you would think that they were in that specific location. That's why he's so blessed. He's at this amazing place with his woman and they're in this place, right? Wrong! It's all photoshopped. When you zoom in, he did Brittany pretty dirty because with that rigged ass outline that he didn't smooth out, it's completely apparent that it's photoshopped. So it's not like he's hurting anyone. I just found it very weird because he didn't say anything until people started calling him out on it. Very similar to how Brittany Dawn didn't make things right until people started calling her out on the whole situation. The background is gorgeous. Where was this taken? Thanks so much. My photographer knows what he's doing. Why are you lying that it's not photoshopped when we can all clearly see that it is? You or someone forgot to shade in a lot of the white between your faces and near your pants. So I ask, why did you Photoshop and lie about it? Did the scamming Cheeto put you up to it? Then he was like, haha, you guys are funny. Gotcha. Yeah, it's Photoshop. Gotta get a little bit better with my Photoshop skills. So right here, Will Smith, not the black guy, Brittany Dawn's boyfriend, clears it up and says, street is from Palm Springs, mountains is in Hawaii, truck is in Dallas. So like I said, it's not like he's hurting anyone. I just found it very ironic that he didn't say anything until he got caught. Brittany Dawn didn't say anything until she got caught. I mean, they're perfect for each other. But apparently this whole photoshopping yourself into certain awesome areas is something that content creators do because it's art. So whatever gets your creative juices a-flowing. I wanted to be part of the trend, and so I decided to Photoshop myself in a few places that I wanted to go to, but I can't. Alright, you guys, I just wanted to update you guys on our very special friend and interesting friend, Brittany Dawn, and her very interesting boyfriend. Her new love life looks like it's going absolutely perfect. And I would not expect anything less than perfect from couple creators because everything about them is perfect. Duh. If you love looking at two people clearly, obviously in love and not doing it for the views at all, I guess Brittany now is incorporating some couple content. So if you're interested in that, let me know how that goes because I'm not interested. So have fun. I'm gonna stick to anime and SpongeBob. And I will see all of you guys next time. If you have a video idea, make sure to leave it in the comment section. Hit the thumbs up button and of course, hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. I'm gonna go take an Instagram picture with this. Congrats for getting to the end of the video. This is where the real party starts. This is when you get to guess the next cosplay. I'm gonna give you a little hint and you're gonna tell me in the comment section who you think me and my dog are gonna be. Is it? It's green. Yoshi's gonna wear it. Which character has an iconic green shirt type thing? And that's all I'm gonna tell you. I honestly feel like nobody's going to guess this, but good luck. Bye, guys.